Hi, everybody. I'm Mark McKellar. I'm a wildlife biologist who has been in love with, studied birds for over 40 years now. My wife and I, Melanie, bought a retail store 24 years ago, known as the Backyard Bird Center, and we're located in Kansas City, Missouri, in the northern part of our town, near the airport, as they say. We have built our business on education. We believe that if we inform people and give them good biological facts about birds and bird feeding, bird nesting, that kind of thing, then they will support us. And they really have. I never thought I'd own a bird seed store. I was a biologist by trade and worked in the field and studied birds and was a biologist and educator, ran nature centers for a living. But now we run our store like we do a nature center. And YouTube has given us a wonderful avenue to share our love and passion for birds. So this channel is loaded up with videos about birds, bird feeding, bird watching, answers to nesting questions, keeping pests out of your bird feeders and your bird houses. So if you share a passion for birds like we do, I think you'll enjoy it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notifications when we're going to be on. Thank you very much. Let's talk birds.